Imagine offering products so unique, they speak directly to your customers' hearts. With the Foilcraft Junior, you can transform ordinary items into personalized treasures. Stand out by crafting customized products that leave a lasting impression. The Foilcraft Junior is your secret weapon, enabling you to create bespoke designs that captivate and delight your audience. Acetate paper is crucial for precision printing. It acts as a guide, ensuring your designs land perfectly every time. Start by printing onto the acetate paper with foil to visualize your layout before committing to the final product. Positioning your product accurately is essential for flawless results. Make sure that your product doesn't move during the stamping process, as this may affect your result. With acetate as your ally, you can align your designs with confidence, ensuring each print is a masterpiece. This technique is especially helpful when you batch printing, as it means you can print in the same location each time by folding back the acetate when and where you need to. The Foilcraft Junior opens up a world of design possibilities. Experiment with various foils and materials to create eye-catching designs that reflect your brand's unique style. Personalized products can significantly boost customer loyalty. By offering unique items, you create a connection that keeps customers coming back for more. Harness the power of personalization to elevate your brand. With the right approach, your products will stand out, attracting new customers and fostering lasting relationships. The Foilcraft Junior is your canvas. Let your creativity flow and watch your business grow as you personalize with a passion. Start personalizing today and transform your business. With the Foilcraft Junior, the possibilities are endless. Take action now and see the difference personalized products can make.